Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to make the firmware update on MMI 2G High. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, to do the firmware update on MMI 2G High, you're gonna need the set of the 3 CDs with the firmware. You can get it from our website. The links will be included on the description below the video. Also, you will need to prepare that CDs, so please check the links, as we have also the movie how to burn the firmware on the CD. Alright, first of all we're gonna start with checking the current firmware version. So I'm gonna start the ignition, and from now we're gonna need to press the setup button, then go to the settings on the top right corner, and we're gonna check the current version. Like you see, there is the SW D3HU55.7.0, which means that's the latest available firmware for that car. If you have the lower numbers, so you will need to upgrade your firmware. Okay, now we can perform the update, but before we need to make sure that the first slot on the CD changer is empty. In my case, like you see, the first one it's empty, so I can just insert the CD1 onto that port. And then from MMI we need to access something like the engineering mode. To do that we need to press the return and the setup buttons together, and we are in something like the engineering menu. Now we need to go to the SW update. We need to press that one button and we'll jump to the download server, select the CD-ROM, and we'll just read the first CD from the changer. Also, please pay attention if your car got the Bose audio system. In my case I've got the Banco Lufsen, and so everything should be fine, but I heard from the customers, if you got the Bose, the better option is just to disconnect it and plug the Fibre optic loop, which looks like this. You can also get one from our website, and we'll just leave the links in the description below the video. If you skip that part, your Bose amplifier might be broken, and we need to replace with the new one, or just find someone who have got the VACCAN Pro VCP to load the firmware onto it. Right, and here we go, the SW update. You can perform from here as a standard. As you see, on my case everywhere is N and N, because I already have done that update. Only AMI, because I have installed the AMI for my Apple CarPlay unit to get the better sound experiences. So I'm just gonna perform that update too, and then just need to start download. There's the information that please do not use any electrical devices, Windows, sunroof, etc. while downloading. Run download, okay, run, and just updating the software of the AMI. Also, if you do not trust your car battery, you can start the engine or just connect the external charger. I'm just gonna start the engine just in case. So I remember a few months ago when I doing the firmware update, my battery just got very flat and I had the trouble to start the engine. So For now I'm gonna leave it running. It shouldn't be too long. And now the update just has finished. Like you see, the AMI has been updated. Restart MMI, yes please. And then we can just remove that CD1 and do exactly the same procedure with the other CDs. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope that video will help you to update your car firmware. Please don't forget to use all three CDs, because the first one is the firmware, second one is the Bluetooth, and the third one is, I think, also something regarding the firmware. Alright, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next movie.